Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and now we want to present about our topic last week. It's all about Indomaret Point. But before we start the presentation, let me introduce our member. The first one is me, Putri Ramia, and then
I'm Najwa Latiladiba. And I'm Naomi Suvania.
So the first topic will be explained by Naomi Estefania.
The topic is Indomaret First. Indomaret Politics is informative for Indomaret First is meant to inform customers that the products sold are fresh, high quality, and appealing. It conveys a sense of freshness and quality, and directive if the prices also subtly directs customers to choose Indomaret as their preferred shopping destination for fresh product. It's a way to encourage consumers to buy the fresh goods from Indomaret. Especially is Indomaret Fresh also express a value proposition. It suggests that Indomaret purchase fresh and quality and decorative if the process can be as a declaration of Indomaret's commitment to freshness and its statement about their brand identity and their offerings. Consistency, the presence can also be seen as subtle promise. It implies that Innovative will constantly provide fresh product to its consumer. Semiotica is one, the intention. Innovative this refers to well-known Indonesia convenience store chain in that not a place for quick and easy shopping. And firstnya is this refers to quality of the product sold, suggesting that they are reasonably crafted, unspecified, and of high quality. Two is connotation. Quality first connotes a high quality is freshness and coolness. It suggests that the products are not stale or processed but rather are in their print condition. Health threats often affect a sense of health and well-being. It implies that the products are good for you and contributes to healthy lifestyle. And third, the word fresh it can also bleed church and compensations will not explain that in the fresh can also implement concept in suggest that consumer can with can find fresh product easily and readily at in the market. And the tree is meat. Freshness as a symbol of purity. Fresh often carries a connotation of pretty and naturalness. This can be a preferred meat, especially in a world where people are interested, concerned about food safety and other interaction. And in the market as a reliable sure the presence in the market France can contribute to meet that in the market is reliable sure of fresh product. And phrases as a status symbol is some cultures phrase can be associated with wealth and status. This might make be particularly relevant in Indonesia, where fresh produce is often seen as a sign of affluence. And C is landscape. Landscape language, the Indomaret Point logo use a combination of English and Indonesia. The word is fresh in English and while Indomaret is Indonesian. The battle of if the language is created by the shop owner to help customer easily recognize Indomaret store from a distance. And the next is from Srirania.
Okay, the sample 2 will be explained by me. First, pragmatic. We have informative. The logo visually inform customer about the brand's name, that is Point Cafe, and its focus on coffee, the stylish coffee bean or cup. 2. Expressive. The logo might convey a sense of first, modernity. The clean minimalist design might suggest a modern stylish coffee experience. Second, simplicity. The straightforward design could imply a focus on quality coffee without unnecessary frills. Third, accessibility, the logo might feel approachable and inviting, suggesting a welcoming atmosphere. Third, decorative, the logo might implicitly declare first, we are a coffee shop. The coffee bean or cup is a clear visual clue. And second, we are different. The unique design might suggest a distinct brand identify identify. And then third, we are high quality. The clean modern design might be associated with quality and care. Okay, second, we identify the semiotic. First, denotation, shape and size. A round illuminated sign or a significant size suggesting it's meant to be easily visible. Second, color, predominantly bright green background with white lettering and white coffee bean logo. Third, text, the word point coffee are clearly displayed. Point is large than coffee. The logo is stylish coffee bean within a location market shape. And fourth, material. The sign appears to be made of modern material, likely plastic or the others. So, okay, number two, connotations. Modern and clean. The bright green color and modern font choose suggest a modern, clean, and perhaps trendy coffee shop. And second, location. The coffee bean within a location market implies easy access to convenient location. And third, freshmen or energy. The bright green color is often associated with freshmen, nature, and energy. Fourth, simplicity or directness. The simple design and clear text communicate the brand name and product directly. So, next, C is myth. Coffee as a modern style. The sign contribute the myth of coffee as a modern, everyday breast, everyday, readily accessible and part of daily routines. Second, confidence and modern life. The overall design, the myth of confidence and easy of access being essential aspect of modern life. Third, brand identify and recognition. The design to create a strong brand identify and easy recognition for the Point Coffee brands. So the last is landscape. The language of Point Coffee logo use English. The word point is in English, and there are another language used in the logo. Next, the type of Point Coffee is the bottom up. The language is created by the shop owner as an information that is item is available. So the next topic will be explained by Najwa.
Okay, for the pragmatics directive, this is a primary speech act. It's a direct request or a command for people refrain from smoking. It's telling people what to do. And then for the expressive, this press also conveys a sense of politeness and consideration of others. The word mohon, softness, the directive, and shows a respect for the people buying interest. Informative also provides information about the rules or expectation in a particular area. It lets the people know that smoking is not law. Declarative can also be seen as the declaration of the policy in the rule in that area, is stating a fact about the environment. For the semiotics is a denotation. Design is a rectangular piece of a white material with a red circle containing a black grade with a diagonal red lines across it. Below the circle are the words "Mohon tidak merokok," printed in black. For the connotation is a prohibition. The red circle and the diagonal line are universally understood as symbols of a prohibition. This contains a rule a sign of smoking. For the politeness, the word mohon in Indonesian softens the prohibition, suggesting a courteous request rather than a strict order. This context, a respectful approach to enforcing the rule. Health concern, the sign influence concern for the health of those in the area. This context, a care for the well-being of others. Cleanliness, smoking-free environments are often associated with cleanliness. This context, this right to maintain a clean and tidy space. Auditory, the sign represents the auditory of whoever put it up, implying that they have the power to enforce the rule. This contests a degree of a control over the environment. For the men is smoking as harmful. This sign reinforce their widely held myth, already reality that smoking is detrimental to health. It taps into social anxieties about secondhand smoke and the negative health consequence of tobacco use. Public order, the sign contributes of the myth that maintaining a smoke-free environment is essential for a public order and a social harmony. It suggests that smoking is an undesirable behavior that disrupts the peace and the well-being of the collective. In summary, the science denotation is straightforward, but its connotation and the myths it reinforces communicate a broader message about health, respect, and social responsibility. For the landscape, the language is Indonesian. Dilarang merokok translate directly to no smoking in English. For the bottom up is not smoking. Signs are essential for protecting health, creating a pleasant environment, preventing a virus, complying with regulation, and promoting a positive image.
So that's all for us. Now we arrived in the end of our presentations. The conclusion in this presentation is this analysis has explored the various layers of meaning within three common sign types found in Indonesia. In the word point cafe, and dilarang rokok, or please do not smoke. Through this lens of pragmatic, semiotic, and landscape analysis, we have uncovered the complex way these signs functions within their environment, pragmatic, relevant, the in-depth action and social norm this sign aim to establish. The Indomart point and point cafe sign, for example, act direction customers to specific locations. The dilarang rokok sign function as a prohibit, enforcing a social rule semiotic through the exploring of denotation, connotation, and myth. Unveil the deeper meaning this sign convey. The Indomart point and point cafe sign, through their colors, logo, and font, communicate brand identify the evoke feelings of familiarity and convenience. The sign dilarang rokok, with its bold text and graphic emergency, carries connotation of health risk and social responsibility. Landscape analysis highlight the role of this sign within the broader urban landscape, and dilarang rokok sign, often placed in high traffic areas, act and as a top-down intervention of authorities and regular behavior. The numeric point and point coefficient on the other hand, represent a bottom-up approach, reflection the increasing influence of commercial and consumerism in public space. Overall, this analysis understands the importance of understanding and multi-layer meaning within seemingly simple sign. By analyzing this sign through different theoretical framework, we gain deeper insight into their social, culture, and political sign within the Indonesian context. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you for your attention and hope you guys have a nice day. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.